and welcome to the Green Premises, Snyder Electric Private Limited and L&T Electrical Automation. So, this is my factory, Ahmednagar Switchgear Works. We have wide range of products like starters, relay controllers, MCBs and many more. Now we are in MCB assembly shop. We are manufacture MCB which is the low cost and high value product of ESP. MCB protect from overload and short circuits that's used domestic as well as industrial application too. This is our bird eye view of our green factory. This is our Model 2 MCB assembly shop. This is our printing automation.
It gives a pride that we won a Deming Award in 2019 and one of our team participated in QCC competition at Tokyo, Japan and won gold medal.
Our team structure, we want to introduce my team.
Team structure.
Our team mentor is Mr. Hanif Sheikh sir, myself Archana.
Myself Jyoti.
Myself Priyanka.
This is our MCBS quality circle objectives.
We improve our communication skill and self-development.
Effective teamwork.
We use the Deming 12-step methodology to solve our problems.
Title of the project: to eliminate barcode rejection and improve productivity. This is our MCB assembly process flowchart. MCB assembly received from supplier to the testing automation station, where we do HV, magnetic and thermal testing. After that we do printing, visual inspection, sealing and packing. At the time of the printing, defect is generated. And here you can see at the time of the packing, defect is detected here.
This is our gap observation. Here you can see first barcode got damaged due to the printing ink, second barcode got damaged due to the thinner and third barcode is the OK barcode.
Here you can see we have started data collection to all three printing automation stations. After that we found barcode rejection is almost 65,000 dpm per month.
With the help of Pareto, we find out the barcode rejection percentage is high. There is a too much possible causes, but major possible causes printing cycle mismatch and product holding stopper dimensional issue resulting in the impression on the barcode side of MCB. These possible causes we are identified with the help of cause and effect diagram in which 4M: man, machine, material and method.
In case of machine, printing cycle mismatch.
In case of man, wet hand and dusty hand.
In case of material, thinner quality is poor.
In case of method, barcode scanner setting is wrong.
NGT, nominal group technique. Nominal group technique is a group process in which involves the identification of problems, solution, generation and decision making, in which highest measure for problem is product holding stopper dimensional issue resulting in the impression on a barcode side of MCB due to the printing cycle mismatch. After that, we do probable cause. Side face printing matter smudged at the barcode side of MCB due to the mismatch of the printing cycle mismatch.
Observation: indexer 2, side face printing position mismatch.
So conclusion is totally valid. After the cause validation, we find out the three root causes with the help of PIMA analysis. Side face printing matter smudged at the barcode side of MCB.
Why?
There is a no product on a fixture.
Why?
Cycle going idle.
Why?
System limitations. Let us understand what is the exactly problem with the help of this video. At the time of the toppling issue or rating change or cycle going idle. While cycle going idle, this printing matter smudged on a barcode smudged on a side face picture, and this printing matter again pasted on the barcode side of MCB on a next cycle, and barcode rejection percentage is high.
Development and implementation of countermeasures.
Side face printing matter smudged on a barcode side of MCB.
Corrective action: side face picture modified by T. PDCA, plan, do, check, act. In before situation, we clean the barcode side of MCB on visual station, but they cannot get effective result in a PDS cycle 1. So we go for PDS cycle 2.
In a PDS cycle 2, here we define barcode rejection on a visual station and its impact. After that, we implemented the action, that is we modified the side face picture. We provided the groups. After implementation, we check at the time of the toppling issue or rating changeover, this printing matter smudged in the grooves and it helps to avoid barcode rejection. After check, we take the action, that is we implemented the modified side face picture on all three printing automation stations. So plan successful,
PDCA successful.
This is our reverse brainstorming. Is it reliable?
Yes.
Is it our work?
Yes.
Is it necessary?
Yes, to improve productivity.
Who will implement it?
QC member.
Who will maintain it?
All of us.
Who will take the risk?
There is no risk.
Will it work in long run?
Yes, definitely.
This is our corrective action. In before situation, there is no provided group. After that, we provided groups. It helps to avoid barcode rejection.
This is the gap observation after modification of the side face picture. Here you can see at the time of the toppling issue, this printing matter smudged in a groove and it helps to avoid barcode rejection.
This is our overall fantastic result achieved by team. These graph gradually reduce and finally getting 0.
Horizontal deployment, modify picture implemented on another 3 printing automation. Future plan, interlock of cycle mismatch will be added in upcoming printing automation expected in month May 2023.
Tangible and intangible benefits.
Tangible benefits, saving due to barcode rejection 87,000, material repairing cost 1,75,000 and total saving 2,62,000 and productivity increased by 5%.
Intangible benefits, operator happiness index is improved.
Second is moral improvement.
And third one is the learning QC tools. This is our Kaizen sheet. Here you can see in a before situation barcode rejection percentage is high. After the modification side face picture, the barcode rejection is get eliminated. So life is
On for everywhere, for everyone, for every moment. Thank you.